Now we are dealing with enterprise resource planning, ERP. This is the most recent high-end solution lent to commercial applications by information technology. So information technological development gives these advantages to the industries, where the ERP system aims to streamline and consolidate business processes and information flow in order to synergize and organize resources such as man, material, money, and machines through the information. Due to the exorbitant cost, ERP programs were initially only available to the large multinationals and infrastructure companies. Maximum the high-end organizations, those who have a huge turnover, or the multinational companies, they used to have this ERP planning, because that enterprise resource planning program was so costly when it was introduced. But nowadays the cost has been reduced day by day. The organizations even in India are adopting the ERP plan. What is ERP? So ERP is enterprise resource planning software, enterprise resource planning software, which aims to connect various departments and try to connect from each and every segment of the organization, each and every department and the services within a company in a single computer system. In a single computer system that can fulfill of those department specific needs. So this is general departments are being connected in one computer system to provide it for their specific requirements or needs. So this is how the ERP works. So ERP, on the other hand, brings all computerized departments together with the use of a single integrated software program. It has a integrated, the combined combinations of all the programs that work on a single database, allowing different departments to share information and commissions more simply. It is so simple to operate it, but it is so difficult to formulate it, because it is a connection with all the departments. Like we can see in a picture that the finance or accounts departments are having their own inputs. Thereafter, that is required towards the management, how much financial things are available within in our hand and how we can utilize this resources. Then human resource management, how much labor turnover is there within organizations, how many employees are there and how we are paying to them, how much money is required in future period, how they are efficiently work, their efficiency management. So human resource accounting or human resource management can be possible. Then the manufacturing overheads, manufacturing expenses engaged in a factory, so that data is also available, and that should be synchronized, or that should be combined, integrated in ERP, enterprise resource planning. The supply chain management, how we are dealing in a supply chain manager, how the supplies are coming towards and how we are distributing the product to the customers. So that needs to be that needs to be compiled into one database, that is enterprise resource planning. The project management, how we are already planned about the particular project and how the actual execution is taking place. And the customer management, how we are dealing towards the customers, how we are providing services. So every thing about overall organizations, overall departments of the organizations being synchronized or being integrated in enterprise resource planning database, and that database helps in providing maximum output. The most businesses have realized that in today's fast paced world, and the a full-fledged cut-through competition world, it is impossible to construct and maintain a customer-designated software package that meets all of their needs while also remaining current, recognizing the needs of users. Some of the world's best software companies have created enterprise resource planning software, which provides an integrated software solution for all of an organization's function. So this is an integrated information through IT, information technology. So enterprise resource planning is this. What are the features? Now we need to deal about the enterprise resource planning features. So features are like this. In various areas, we can say that from the inventory, purchasing, our payroll, sales, finance, vendors. Let's see from one angle. When we are ERP is a company-wide integrated information system that includes manufacturing, selling, and distribution, as well as payables, receivables, inventories, accounts, human resource, and acquisition. So ERP contains each and every elements of an organization. So ERP automates fundamental process and improves customer service, enhance the company's reputation. ERP helps to create a good image in the market due to its output, due to its service to each and every element. ERP is a bridge that information divide between businesses. So different informations on various organized departments within organizations are compiling or to coming together to take an action plan. ERP gives that advantages to it. ERP is a solution for improved project management, since it allows total system integration not only across the department but also between enterprises under same management. So we have different enterprises under same management, so we can take a help of it. So main features are inventory. We need to focus on inventory. Enterprise resource planning gives advantages and how our inventory is being planned, how the best amount of inventory should be ordered at less investment, at the least ordering cost. Then purchasing from the suppliers, how the process should take place and how where is that process is being operated. That can be understood by each and every department, the purchasing system, the payrolls in human resource management. We need to deal about the payment, wages and salaries of employees needs to be paid on time, and that needs to be calculated according to the required resources. Sales and finance requirements need to be understand and should be planned for it. The vendors or the suppliers are providing or supplying their goods at what time, that how much time they are taking to deliver the goods, that needs to be understand. The customer service support. So the most business concerns such as material shortage, productive gain, customer services, cash management, inventory issues, quality issues, and timely delivery are eliminated by ERP. Enterprise resource planning helps to eliminate the issues related with the inventory, related with the cash, related with the quality. So ERPs not only meet the company's current need, but it also allows for continuous improvement and refinement of business process. We can refine it. We can rephrase our business processes according to the requirement or as per the need of an hour. So ERP is working on current and future scenario. So business intelligence capabilities such as decision support system DSS, execute information system EIS, and reportings are available with ERP. every kind of reports are being generated with ERP. When reports are there, the management is having the decision making process. With the help of report, managers will be able to take a correct decision, right decision at the right time. So data mining and early warning system, robotic systems are there to help people more better decisions and enhance corporate operations. ERPs having a pop-up system where somehow your data, the data mining gives you the information that there is a going to be happen a shortage of material or cash or any quality issue in particular concerned department, that will be raised automatically or pop up automatically. That robotic systems being created with the help of ERP, and many ERPs are being designed as per the customized towards the organizations, as per the requirements of the organizations. The designs are being ready for giving a better performance with the help of ERP. How the enterprise resource planning helps as a benefit to the organizations. So these are few advantages being listed, like product costing, inventory management, e-commerce, quality control, and after sales service. These are the advantages being noted. How the product costing can be reduced with the help of ERP. ERP gives an idea about the requirement of the production cycle and the requirement of production unit from the raw material. It helps in, it has the database of man, machine, material, and money. So the combinations of this all gives an idea. So accurate determining the cost of product is crucial in every industry. So standard costing, actual costing, and activity-based costing among the advanced costing methodologies supported by ERP. So furthermore, all costing methodologies and data can be integrated with the finance, and this supplies the organization with the critical financial data for cost control and monitoring. So we can control the cost with the help of integrated data that gives a better ideas to take an action or a decision towards the reducing the cost of production. Next, the inventory management. Inventory management is being taken good care by ERP. ERP can employ in manufacturing and distribution contexts that are multinational, multi-companies, and multi-sites. This system streamlines challenging logistics by letting users to plan and run business in multiple countries as a single entry. And its comprehensive functionality allows users to handle product and financial data in a variety of ways. So in inventory management, we have multiple multiple branches of the same companies at multiple countries. So we have the database of every organization or the department in one ERP program that can be accessed by every organization or every branch, and that will help us to make do the material management or inventory management on time. E-commerce, enterprise resource planning helps us to best utilization of the advanced technology, information technology, and that information technology gives a rise in e-commerce business. The information, like through the help of internet, intranet, and extranet solution for the company and the business to customers, employee self-service, and so on. Many times it helps to the customers to understand the product, what is available to us from the company. We can order everything online through the supplies or through the help of mails. So many transactions are taking place within a fraction of time. We can order the things online or with the help of email. So internet helps us to grow the business, to smooth line the business. So ERP planning is having that facility to order the things and to show off the things to the customers, what and which part we want to disclose towards the customer, that is also available. Which part should be disclosed to the suppliers, that is that things can be customized as per the requirement. Next part is the quality control. So ERP ensures that the quality control method is carried out automatically. ERP is the output of information technology which gives a birth to automation in maximum areas or the all areas of the organizations, and it can help us to focus on the quality control system, how the quality should be managed, or the quality control management methods can be gives the rise in ERP planning. So ERP gives the quality control system. After sales service, yes, ERP is having the database of our customers receives and what sort of superior quality product should be delivered to the customers, and if not, then how we are going to deal with the after sales service. ERP is having every database of customers and their utilities, how the ERP is going to help us in after sales service is the customer complaints can be raised online and can be reached towards the after sales service department. So ERP is having that sort of facilities which gives a rise or which gives the important focus on after sales service. So each and every segment being operated under ERP helps to give a better efficient results towards the organization, and that will leads us towards a good organization. So these were the advantages of enterprise resource planning in product costing, in inventory management, in e-commerce, in quality control, and after sales service. We can